All right. Let's see here. Put this down. Let's start. All right, I'm not gonna worry about chat today. Let me know if stuff gets cut off here. All right, let's get that going. That looks good. That looks good. All right. Let's go here. Okay, dev. Okay. Let's go cd front end. All right. What's this? You're creating a setting project. What is that? Okay. All right. I'm in limited screen space here, you guys. So let's see how well I can do here. On. So I'll do my best here. I can only stream for a little bit. I'll probably come on for a late night session tonight. But I'm only going to probably be on for just a little second here. Hey, what's going on, Carlos? Hey, Mahan. All right, let's get into this session today. Okay, so right, I'm going to work on the homepage here. So our simulators are all good. So let's go ahead and work on a homepage for this project. So on the homepage, we're going to go. How do we want to add the style list? We'll just say welcome to Spectrum. We'll say how do I want to say this? How do we want to do this? Okay, so we have our home page here with our nav on top. So I guess let's just start adding things, and let's just start adding stuff. So we'll go here, let's add an H1. We'll call this SpectroSim. Okay, we're gonna put this inside of a div. see. I'm not used to coding on just on the laptop here. Hey Max, how's it going, dude? Welcome back in. Appreciate you for being here. Is the stream doing good? Is it not lagging too bad? We're doing good. Okay, we're doing good. All right. So SpectroSim. So we'll say, welcome to SpectroSim. I guess what we'll do is we'll have a paragraph tag, and we'll say welcome to, we'll have here H1 SpectroSim. Okay. We'll go here. Flex. Text. Line. Flex row. Or we'll say, I don't know, how do we do this? What do I even want here? I'm gonna go like this really quick. Let's make a compound. Call this JSON. Let's do features. Okay. We'll go let's say function logo image, right? Return. Okay, so I want to go have a, we're going to import our card here. No, this is fine, so we'll say this is going to be an image. Props here. Source equals to props. Image source. Okay. So now let's go see if we can do this. Let's go here and go. Home page, let's go image, let's go here, go image, let's add in a image source equal to, and then let's go ahead, and I got something here for you guys. Projects, right? Logo. Put this into public. Why aren't these images loading in? There you go. Okay, cool. That looks cool. Grab see chat here. Hey Strami, how's it going? SpectroSim is a spectroscopy simulator here. We're styling it up. So home here, source is going to be, okay, so we're in home here, which is in pages. We need to go outside of pages, outside, into public, and then absorb sim logo dot png or not jpeg. There it is. Okay, nice. So now let's give some styling to this guy. Okay. 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 Let's go height or width. Let's say 500 pixels. Even less. Let's go 100 pixels. 200 pixels. Okay. Let me go. If I say padding 10, that doesn't do that. It reduces that. Is it like a crop? I might have to go into Photoshop again. Okay, let's go. How do I? Image size. What do I say? View. I'm not sure. Go like this, file, new. Let's go 500, 500. Great. Now let's go delete that file, new. 1000 by 1000. Create. And drag here. Okay. Like right there. That's good. Select. Right there. That looks centered. Now I'm going to go like this. We're going to zoom this in. There. So that thing. There. I don't know, we might want to leave it because actually, hold on, let's just think. If I go here and I say rounded, hold on, maybe if I go like this, let's do class name here. Let's set this to width 300 pixels for rounded. Let's look up on my GPT here, say how to crop image tailwind. Oops. Overflow hidden. Full, height full. Okay, so let me put the div back here then. We'll apply stuff to the div, but just make the image be full. So we'll say width here is going to be full. I'm going to say height full. Object cover. Okay, so then I add this overflow hidden here, and my height parameters is okay. So I say overflow hidden. And it also wants me to say rounded large. I think that did it. Yeah. Okay, so then, how did it say I could zoom in? Object cover full rounded large. So let me go object, we'll say rounded. Is it 50%? Yeah, for a circle. Okay, that looks good. Alright, that looks good. if I zoom in here, 20%, you can't do that. Okay, whatever, that looks fine. I'll make this 200. There we go. Okay, it's a logo image. And then we're gonna, this is our home page, so we're gonna, inside this div then, we're gonna make a h1 here for a, say, absorb sim. Okay, this is gonna be class name, flex column, items center, so then I'm gonna go here, we're gonna say div. This is gonna be simulator logo selection. Okay. So I'm gonna go here, class name, order. Okay. Open this up. Put this inside here. There we go. Okay. So we'll say this is going to be flex order flex row flex wrap. Okay. So now if I add in a bunch of these, no, sorry, a bunch of these. Good. Okay. Come here, I'm going to give a gap 4 of 10. Nice. I justify around. So justify. Okay. So then what I'll do is I'm just going to temporarily delete these. Apply a Okay, and then we're going to give a flex padding of like 2. Okay. That looks good. I'm going to create a new component. Or no, I'm just going to say text Excel, no, Excel. Okay. And then we got we go here. We save file. New image. Hide this one. I'm just gonna create a new image. We're gonna fill this white. Okay, and then I'm gonna get text. I say coming soon. That's good. I have Roboto. No, I don't. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should do. Okay, let's just do this then. Let's create a logo image here. Okay, let's duplicate this div down. And then let's do let's do the source. Can I put in some JavaScript here? Actually, text. No. How could I just replace the image? I'll just say logo image. Okay, so create a new component here. is going to be paragraph. Oh, I know why. Then we'll do okay. Let's see here. This is coming soon. Nice. Okay, so let me go. What's the plan? Wait, what time are we going?
Like 6:30, so.
Alright, gotta get some tunes though. I'll drive her, it'll be alright. I'll drive her, it'll be alright. Okay, we want to go to our homepage here. And let's look at our. What did you justify this Friday? Say this is center with the width. It's not going to be full. Flex or border. Hiding flex. Okay, flex. We'll say width is going to be, let's say half. Here's our homepage here, which is going to have everything in it. I know you're all blue. You're really purple.
My sister just texted me. It would be too much of a bother to ask you to pick me up.
You can pick her up.
It's like, it's an extra 30 minutes. It takes an hour and 15 minutes to get there.
Oh.
I feel like that's foolish. Should we pick her up?
Well, she's gonna get some drinks, so she can't drive home afterwards, so we're gonna have to drop her off. It'll be alright. It'll be fun. Okay, so width full on this guy. Right. So I'm gonna say items, center, justify, center, and then I'll take this content here. I'll say okay, nice. So let me give a border here. Good, there we go. Now we have those kind of being in the center of the screen, which is nice. And I'm going to go image, let's make this 150, 150, 150, 150. And then I'm going to make these text just XL. There we go. Nice. Looks good. So I'm going to say, instead of welcome to SpectroSim, I'll say Spectroscopy simplified with SpectroSim. Is that cringe? I'll say SpectroSim. Spectroscopy simplified. I don't know this other cringe. Pretty much, yeah. Okay. So if we give a hover to here. Alright, this looks pretty good so far. I don't know. So then if we want to say, let's go to our home here, app here. All right, you guys. Cool little start to our home page where we got a couple of images here for our SpectroSim logo and coming soon for custom sim. We have just we got some layouts going, and then we obviously have our SpectroSim page here where you can do all your good stuff. Well, we don't have the back end running right now, so it's not going to run. But I'm going to head out here. We're going to go to some music, live music. on this Saturday. I suggest you guys also touch some grass and enjoy your Saturday. I'll probably jump on later this evening, probably for a late night session to do a couple of LeetCode problems potentially. So be on the lookout for that. Sorry to kind of jump in and dash here, only doing 45 minutes. Sorry. My YouTube chat. Sorry, you guys. I thought no one was chatting. My bad. It wasn't loading on my phone. Hey, Cooper X. Sorry, dude. I didn't see your chat. My bad, dude. My chat wasn't loading on my phone here. And I just saw your guys' chats come through. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Sorry, Tim. How's it going, Cooper X? Kurlos, because I want to learn it myself. I'll use AI if I get really stuck and if I want to learn new things, but I want to try to make it my own. Make it my own. All right. Yeah, Cooper, hit me up in Discord if you want to connect. I have a Discord link down below where you can get access to all of my resources, and then you can also chat with me there offline, and we can connect on there. We're planning on doing some community project stuff soon, so be on the lookout for that. Regarding our 2.3 region, we're going to do our whackathon shortly. I want to just finish this project. We're almost done. I just need to finish the home page here, and then give a small about page, and then we can start pushing it up, and then I can start slowly working on the custom sim portion. But we have a nice ChatGPT logo here. It looks really nice. This is exactly what I was envisioning, and I prompted it. I said I want a flask with a solution inside with a wave-like arrow passing through to resemble a light wave, and this is what it gave me. And so I was like, that is perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So that saved me a lot of time from having to make it. So hey, AI is helping me out there, right? But so that's exactly what I was envisioning. So now we have a cool logo to represent this kind of absorb sim feature of our SpectroSim page, which is this guy here. And so what we'll do is next time when I'm back in my normal setup tomorrow, we'll link this logo, kind of click to a route to this page, so you can also access it from there. Rather than from in here, you can access it from right here. I'm going to remove this border. I'll do it right now. Why not? There you go. So that looks really cool. I think that's really, it looks like clean, spectroscopy simplified. Now we could add in some more, like obviously some more features. This is just this is only 45 minutes of work here. So I'm gonna add in some more stuff, potentially like I want maybe like a main SpectroSim logo, like a double S or something up here, or like a small, I don't know. We'll have to see what we want to do, but this is kind of the overarching theme I was thinking of, just some kind of images with the logos that pertain to the type of simulators that we offer on the page, and then you can access them by clicking in them or going to here and clicking there. So I think it looks really good so far. What do you guys think? Let's load up chat. I don't think it's loaded again. Oh, no, it's good. All right, you guys. Sorry to bail out so quick, and sorry if my stream's been a little bit laggy. Like I said, I'm not in my normal setup today, but I'll be back later tonight to potentially solve some LeetCode problems. And then, because last night I did solve like 3 LeetCode problems off stream, or like 2, I think, and then I got stuck on the third. So I'm sorry, you guys, but I did do 2 LeetCode problems off stream. I did reverse string, and I did valid anagram, which were pretty easy. So anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you guys so much for being here for this short little session where we just worked on our front end, getting our home page up for SpectroSim, which looks really, really nice so far. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later tonight. Bye.